JavaScript is an object-oriented programming language. And so when we define our character string variables, they are objects. They have properties and they have methods. This podcast looks at some of the methods we can use to style text strings. I'm editing some JavaScript source code, and I'm still working with this variable txt, but let's change its value. Let's change it to happy birthday. And I'm going to demonstrate how we can use JavaScript to style string objects. And so my heading is styling strings. And I've got several ways, although I'm just showing you a few of the ways that you can style a string. So let's move up a little bit. And the first one here is I'm going to be printing happy birthday big. And so I have text.big function. And when I say function, I'm talking about just the opening and closing parentheses after the word big. Then I'm going to print out happy birthday small. So I have text.small function. Now in the next one, I'm going to change the color of happy birthday. So I have text.font color. But rather than just have an opening and closing parentheses, I'm putting in the argument white. So I want my text to be white. Then I'm going to print happy birthday in italics using the italics method. And again, we'll display it with strike through with the strike method. And then bold. And then finally, link. Now notice that in my link, I have included the URL to w3schools.com. Okay? Now, what does this look like? Here's our output. Our first happy birthday is big because we use the big method. Our next is small, again, because we use the small method. Now the font color method allowed us to change the color of happy birthday to white. The italics method gives us italics. Strike gives us strike through. Bold is the result of the bold method. And then the last method we used was link. Now this converted our text to a hyperlink. Notice that it's, in this case, purple because I visited this site, and it's underlined. If I click on it, it takes me to w3schools.com. Now be sure to go out to learn JavaScript, and under the Objects menu, select String, and study this example, Style Strings. And I'll see you soon.